Welcome to GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-on video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss 1500. This beautiful Trail Boss is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to the 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Trail Boss here. Power windows, locks and mirrors, drivability dial, tow mode, and different driving modes here. You do have normal, sport, and off-road. We have push-button 4x4 automatic headlights and fog lamps there. A leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control, black bow tie, and audio controls. We got the column shifter and push-button ignition. We do have a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot capable. Dual-zone climate control with heated front bucket seats. We have the integrated trailer braking system, parking sensors, USB ports, as well as even an outlet up front here. We have the dual glove box locking bottom, Bose audio speakers. We have the all black interior, Z71 branded floor liners up front as well. Beautiful black leather heated seats. Taking a quick look at the beautiful exterior of the Trail Boss here. We do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, all black alloy wheels with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac all-terrain tires. Color matched door handles with keyless entry on the driver's front door. Z71 off-road package up front. Truck does have the 2-inch factory lift kit, giving you that taller stance and the ability to clear those bigger wheels. Up front, color-matched front bumper and grille with the black bow tie, fog lamps, parking sensors, and LED daytime running lamps. Rear tinted privacy windows and remote start are both equipped on the Trail Boss here. Color-matched rear bumper with the dual chrome exhaust tips. Parking sensors, trailer tow hitch, LED tail lamps, and the easy open and close Chevy tailgate. Jumping up into the interior again here, our second row is the leather 60/40 split. We do have in-seat storage as well. Both the end seats are car seat ready. You have a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom carved out over top, and a solid roof. USB charging ports. We have the floors lined with the OEM liners as well. 60/40 split allows you to fold up those seats with the under-seat storage, and they fold right back down just as easy. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. If this is your next factory V8 lifted crew cab pickup truck, come see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.